I've been wanting to do this one for a while, and I'm really glad I can share it with you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a video on drawing Jason Voorhees with no references. When creating a character that has a very popular fan base like Jason Voorhees or Freddy Krueger or Pennywise, something like that, it is very difficult to pull it off because there's just those certain details that you cannot miss. So that's going to be the challenge here, and I really look forward to taking it on. If you haven't checked out my past two videos, I did one of me sketching my worst fear. I did one of me sketching Venom, being the new trailer's coming out. Be sure to check those out. And as always, if you would like to hit that like button and leave me a comment, I'd very much appreciate it, and you could end up winning some free stuff. If you really like my artwork, I'll be having my shop set up soon. I'll be putting a link in the description to my website where the shop will be posted. It should be up within the next 2 weeks with some pieces from my videos and some pieces that didn't quite make it into the videos, pieces that I did before I started doing videos. And I would love it if you guys jumped on that and just checked it out. We're sitting at 27 subscribers right now, and I really appreciate that. I appreciate the support. I'll be leaving a link in the description to my Patreon if y'all want to contribute to these videos or contribute to my artwork, help me get supplies. And in return, there is rewards on the Patreon where you can get free copies of my artwork, signed copies, matted copies. Alright, well, enough of that. We're going to get started with this video in 5, 4. Just a quick reminder, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button if you want to know as my videos get done and uploaded. Thank you and enjoy the video. And as always, I start off with my shapes and my grid lines, and then I go directly to the features of the face. Especially with no references on this one, could make it a bit more difficult to capture what I'm looking for, but we'll see how that turns out in the end. At this point, I have a good shape of how the overall head's gonna look like, and I got those eyes in there looking great. I really liked how those turned out. I'm kind of trying to go with the zombie feel to Jason on this one, kind of like the undead Jason. That's why part of his lips missing under the mask. Went ahead and gave Jason his own kind of bling with them chains around the neck. At this point, it's mostly just shading from here. But I did notice at one point that the holes that I put in on the mask were actually too small. So I did have to erase them and had to make a few adjustments. At this point, I'm going to darken in some lines and add in a few details, such as the different symbols on Jason's mask. I'm going to fill in some of these holes, darken them in a bit. Now I'm putting in my finishing touches before this video is over. I want to remind you all to be sure to hit that subscribe button if you liked what you saw here and you want to see more. I'm looking into doing tutorial videos in the future. If y'all are interested in that, comment and let me know. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Give me a like if you enjoyed the video. And definitely subscribe if you haven't yet for a chance at some free artwork. After I get 10 comments and 10 likes, I'll be giving away a free random piece of artwork.